In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive account. We all know how important it is to keep our digital lives organized, so let's dive into these straightforward steps to switch your OneDrive account effortlessly. First, I want you to focus your attention on the bottom right corner of your screen. There on the taskbar, you should see a little cloud icon. This is your gateway to accessing OneDrive settings. Go ahead and click on that cloud icon. Now, simply by locating and clicking this icon, you've already taken your first step toward changing your OneDrive account. Moving on, once you've clicked the cloud icon, a small menu will appear. In this menu, I want you to look for the Settings gear icon. It could be nestled among other options, so take a moment to find it. The Settings icon is what you're after, as it's going to guide you to the next phase of this process. A simple click on the Settings gear icon will bring up a new window presenting more options for you to explore. Once you're in this new window, direct your attention to an option labeled Settings and give it a click. You'll now delve deeper into the OneDrive settings, which is where you can really start making account changes. In the Settings window, search for a tab that says Account. This tab is critical because it houses all the essential details pertaining to your current OneDrive account. By selecting the Account tab, you'll be introduced to how your PC is currently linked to OneDrive. Now that you're in the Account section, you'll come across an option that says Unlink this PC. It's time to click it. This action removes the current OneDrive account connection from your device. You'll find yourself one step closer to linking a new account or even relinking the previous one, should you wish to do that. With your PC now unlinked from the current account, you're ready to proceed and link or change to a different account. Here, you will sign in using your new or intended email address and password. Microsoft's secure interface will smoothly guide you through the process. Once you've input your email address and password, simply follow the prompts that OneDrive presents. These steps are designed to confirm you're linking the correct account and to ensure that your files are synchronized properly. And there you have it. In just a matter of minutes, you've successfully changed your OneDrive account. You should now be able to access and manage your files seamlessly and without any hiccups. If at any point you encounter difficulties, remember that revisiting these steps can help clarify the entire process. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Happy organizing!